Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered. And look what we got in here, into this garage. Yui and I just took the hard top off of this. And now, since I have the soft top, we're going to try and attempt, and I'm going to leave the video running, but let's... Here, folks, is the new soft top that I got. I haven't even taken it out of the package. So let's, oh, that feels like the same weight as what we're, let's see here. Had this for, oh, look how shiny and clear
oh, look at that.
Yeah. Wow. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out. Yep, this is the reason I got this one, because it has the underliner. I could get these soft tops, but they didn't have this underliner. This is what it's supposed to be. And so now you and I get to figure out how we are going to put this together, or take the old one off and put this one on. What do you think?
I'll just give her a whirl.
So let's set this one out of the way. Obviously, we know that's the back. And it did come, looks like it has the rubber door seal. Oh yeah, we could. The hard top is off, sitting right there. And we're gonna just let this video go. And figure out how to take said top. Got some dust on it already?
Yeah.
Oh.
From our last skin job.
Oh yeah, the sand dust.
Oh.
So, okay. Yeah, you see, if you look underneath, you see it's got the lining. The cheap ones don't have this lining. And that's the reason why I wanted this. And it looks like, and I think I have the new rubber seal there as well. Let me get my glasses.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and if you see on this other one, it looks like it.
So this guy here, where it sits.
Oh, it's just okay.
Yeah, you just push that shit in, but you got your screws there that holds down your fabric.
Okay.
That's pretty.
And then I think these, the crossbars,
they should
screw. Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
And this is separate from, but there's the rubber seal. There's the new, that's the original rubber seal. And that one happens to have a screw there. Those come off. Oh, I see the first bar. Yep, it screws up here.
I think anything with the bar should unscrew.
Yep. Oh, this will be.
Then that back one, just gotta screw that bar. Yeah, this is actually not that bad to do.
Well, we're going to get it on camera. Folks, we'll probably speed this up. You know, I don't know how much you guys can see here, but we'll get to going. I want to move the mic. I got so much reflection with my glasses. Brightness from the sunshine. So take this off here. Just a little trim screw. I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to put this towel on the trunk so we can set parts and pieces. And I also, okay, this, I got to remember, Huey, this is for the 300 SL, this box.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to get another towel so that I don't want to damage my paint job. Oh, and folks, something else I bought. I'll do my own oil changes now. Since I have a lift, now I can put the car in on the lift and take care of my oil changes and everything else. Just a cheap gizmo here from Harbor Freight. I think it was $68 or something like that. But it'll do for what I needed to do. Okay. If you want to use this towel here for parts. Oh, let's see.
Gotta do it for this whole back side too. Son of a gun.
Oh shit, there's another one. Okay, so now I can't keep up with what you've done. Oh.
Yeah, it just fits up in there. And there's a wire there.
Yeah.
You just follow the groove, and I think it starts on that middle pillar.
Oh, I have to take this nut off?
No. It's right out of the hole. Yeah. So, oh, sons of a dang. They did you dirty on that one.
Okay, so
just cut that off.
well, I'll just get a socket set. are you doing?
Oh, it's lights out. Oh, we got one more.
Yeah, the bell peppers seem to be doing well too.
Oh, that's a good place for them.
And a good side jalapeno pepper about this size already.
Oh,
Yeah.
jalapenos.
Start making some salsas soon.
Yeah.
Start selling those at the mini mall. There's another strawberry that's out there.
Okay, what's this wire do?
Oh, that's gonna be.
Oh, for the locky.
Oh.
Oh, it's the guide. Oh, and then we got to take that off. Well, we can get it off with the top. We can set this on. I can bring a truck around here with the tail. Oh, we got to get that on the wire.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. What's that do?
So we remove this. Rubber seal's just ripping.
Oh, it's shot. I'm gonna. Somehow, when you figure it out, let me know. 'Cause
Okay, so adhesive and this rubber seal is holding this back end in. Cool. Less screws to deal with.
I think I'd rather have the screws, but boy, definitely need that rear rubber.
It's very tight too.
Does it pry? Is it prying away?
Not very easily. That one has a piece of bump too.
Well, you know what we could do? Just cut part of this off so we don't have to deal with the, well, no. Fuck. Oh, that guy playing with that damn car again.
Not the first time.
No, he was out there doing it yesterday. There's gotta be a way to. He's got some sort of an OBD2 tester. He's sitting there in the passenger seat, and I don't know what the heck he's doing. All right, folks, we're just gonna wrap this up for now. We're getting to the back bar, and let me just take the camera around and kind of show you what's going on. I'm gonna have to order some rubber seals, which I didn't order for the convertible, but as you can see, what he's doing is pulling that rubber seal out of there, which is breaking off anyway, but somehow or another, like, this rubber goes inside this aluminum channel, and oh, I see how that, okay, can't see that from the camera here. So this is going to be intricate work right there. So we have to jam the rubber in there. We'll have to get a new piece of rubber that when you fold the convertible top in there, then you push the rubber into it, and that's what holds it all together. And then the bolts to this apparently go to, I don't know what they go to. We unbolted something, but maybe they hold the rubber down. I don't know what they bolt down to, but
Yeah, this guy right here.
oh, okay. Oh, that's right. It slides into that deal. So this is a two-man job. And you know, it's for not doing it ever before, a little more challenging, but I'm glad I spent the extra money on the top that is more compatible and not just a cheap $90 canvas convertible top, because this one will last a little bit longer. So more to come. Probably going to get to the point where we can at least get a little bit of it put back on. I am going to work on this piece. I've got that downstairs. I need to put the burgundy vinyl over this and wrap that and get that done. So lots to go on, lots to do, but yeah, it's coming back together, and this has been a nice project. So folks, thanks for watching. We'll get some more seals and stuff, and maybe I'll do a video of the you know, when we've got it all pretty much back together. This car is also, we need to do the transmission, but with all this soft top off, we can, you know, I can roll it into the next bay and you know, do the transmission fluid change and do an oil change, and you know, with all my new toys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and be safe out there. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?